Greetings everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase all content and settings on your Mac. Now you may want to do this for a few different reasons, and the first one would be you're selling your Mac. The next would be you're setting it up for another family member or a friend, you're trading it into Apple, or you just want to start over from scratch because maybe you've been having some software issues. So Macs that support this come with the T2 security chip and macOS Monterey or later. And so you want to go to the system settings first and then search for erase and then click on erase all content and settings. It'll ask you for your administrator password. So you'll enter that. And then after you click unlock, it's going to warn you that your Apple account is going to be signed out, your Touch ID is going to be removed, accessories, the Bluetooth will be unpaired, and Find My and Activation Lock will be disabled. So now you're being asked for your iCloud account password or your Apple account password, and this signs you out of all the stores, Apple Music, and all that. So that's the first step on this sign out. And then the second step is signing out of Find My with Activation Lock. And what Find My does is it lets you lock your device remotely if it's lost or stolen, and plus it's locked to your Apple account. So it makes it hard for thieves to resell your device. So you're going to get a two-factor code sent to your other devices. In this case, it's my iPhone. And I'll click allow and I'll enter this code, and this will disable Find My, and then it says erase all content and settings in red. Do you really want to do this? And then once you click on that, boom, it's going to erase everything. And according to Apple, erase all content and settings restores your device to its original factory settings by securely wiping all personal data, settings, apps, and media, including Apple Pay cards, and deactivating services like iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime. This action makes your device data irretrievable, ensuring your information remains private when you sell it, give away, or trade in your device. And that has to do with the T2 security chip, because there are keys with the chip and the data, and once you erase those keys, the encrypted data is irretrievable. And what's nice, this is a very quick process. It doesn't take hours or anything like that. It's not restoring the whole operating system. No, it's just erasing any user data on the machine whatsoever. And then you'll see an activation screen. And what this does is you need an internet connection, and the computer will talk to Apple and will say, hey, who do I belong to? Am I activation locked? Do I belong to a company? Or am I setting up someone for the first time? So once you successfully make a wired or wireless internet connection active, it will activate the device. And there we go. It says your Mac's activated. It'll restart in 1 minute, but we can restart it by clicking restart. And this also works, by the way, for your iPhone, your iPad as well. And there we have it. We're back at the setup screen and we're ready for a new person to sign in. So that's the overview on how to erase all content and settings on your Mac. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.